Dating, the reason for BYU. For many, it is the source of enjoyment and personal fulfillment. For others, utter failure. But what exactly is dating? And how does one turn the dating world to their benefit? In this episode of Courting with Court, we'll show you how you, too, might utilize dating in your life. Yes, even you. This video has been separated into two separate segments, one for women and the other for men. If you are a man, please leave now and do not return until segment 2. Are you all gone? Good. Segment 1, Dating for Women. You are now watching segment 1, Dating for Women, which means that you are indeed a woman, or are deeply confused about life and your identity. If so, leave the theater immediately and seek counsel with your bishop. Dating for women can seem to be daunting, even impossible task like flying, but after following these 4 easy steps, you will enable yourself to master it more fully. Step 1. Look him in the eyes. This shows that you are interested in what he is saying and doing. Avoid looking at other parts of his body, as this may send erroneous and often unwanted signals. Don't look there, or even there, and especially not there. Through this, the man will believe that you are actually listening to him, instead of contemplating your classes, trouble with your roommates, or whether or not you have a grilled cheese sandwich for your next meal. Step 2. Laugh at his jokes. Many men believe that they are funny. This is, as a rule, entirely false, but any indication of this can cause a man to lose his self-esteem or even his lunch. Laughing at his jokes will boost his confidence and in turn give him the needed courage to ask you on a date. Practice laughing on demand. You may start laughing now. Stop laughing. Step 3. Touch his arm. Physical contact can be a great tool in the persuasion of the opposite sex. But be careful, the wrong kind of touch can send other signals and even intimidate a man. That kind of touch will only result in confusion and dismay. A soft touch to the forearm will get his attention. Let him know that you are willing to be close to him. Step 4. Tell him something to the extent of, "We need to do something sometime," or "We should hang out." Although this may seem bold, it in fact is not, as men tend to have the approximate subtlety of the average brick. This statement will suggest to the man that he has your attention and your interest. Again, be cautious of how to approach such a suggestion, as he may assume you are out to kidnap him. So remember, look him in the eye, laugh at his jokes, touch his arm, and lightly suggest an engagement. This ends the Dating for Women segment. Please exit now. Segment 2, Dating for Men. You are now watching segment 2, Dating for Men. Some men try to understand women. This is, of course, futile and should be avoided. Women are far too complex and your mind is far too simple for that demanding task. Step 1. Smell nice. Recent studies have shown that the female nose is nearly 78,000 times more sensitive than that of the male. Some have gone as far to equate their sense of smell with that of muskrats. Don't worry, smelling nice is not an impossible task. First, try showering, washing your clothes, or even using cologne. Some even try all 3. Spraying body spray on dirty clothes, however clever it may seem, will only result in failure as the 2 smells will combine to create a sort of super stench. In whatever form it is used, cologne should be used in moderation. Step 2. Compliment her. Women love to be complimented. In fact, a recent poll conducted by the Women's Health Association found that 64% of women prefer compliments to presents, refreshments, and manual labor. care not to try and overdo it though. The wrong kind of compliment can confuse a girl and even lead her to believe you are mocking her. Step 3. Listen to her. Often the impulse to stop paying attention will arise during extended conversations, especially if it is some inane chatter you don't care about, such as hair, clothes, or feelings. If you find yourself unable to listen to her, we recommend Courting with Court's Guide to Faking It, Chapter 7, which contains valuable insights into how to successfully appear to be listening. Step 4. Ask her out. Often the simple question of will you or do you want to will suffice. There you have it. Remember, men, smell nice, compliment her, listen to her, and man up and ask her out. This ends this episode of Courting with Court. In the next episode, we will study consequences to asking her out. Rejection in all its facets.